afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Anastasia Yunus. I'm a student of Rio University. I will be representative for this presentation about this research. I will share you about the research with the title Nutritional Characteristic of Brunok Paracaudina australis Flor by Dr. Rahman Kanila SPI MSc, Munisatul Haq, Anissa Anastasia Yunus from Rio University, Pekanbaru 2021. The background of this research. First, Brunok is a type of marine biota that usually lives in muddy and seagrass coastal areas but has not become a commodity that has high economic value. Brunok cannot be sold in the market because not many general public know about its potential. Proximan is an important basic content to determine the development potential content in the material. The purpose of this research provided information about the nutritional content of Paracaudina australis by proximal analysis. Method that we use for this research: experimental design with two stages of research. Step of research. We use two steps of research. First, preparation and manufacturing of Brunok Flor, and second, chemical composition analysis of Brunok Flor. Preparation and manufacturing of Brunok Flor. Brunok or Paracaudina australis, we do sample drying and sample sifting, and last we got Brunok Flor. Chemical composition analysis of Brunok Flor. Brunok Flor that we got before, we do some analysis: first moisture, second fat, and third protein, and the last ash. Results and discussion of Brunok Flor. The texture of the floor you can see in the picture. The resulting Paracaudina australis skin flesh floor is brown, different from the initial color of fresh Paracaudina australis skin flesh. According to Winarno 2004, the non-enzymatic browning reaction or the appearance of browning color in the resulting floor occurs because carbohydrates will react with protein when there is heat. Results show that the average yield of Paracaudina australis floor was 83.34%. The remaining 16.66% yield was due to some floor particles left in the container during the blended and sifting process, and some scattered in the air. According to Hiswati 2002, the higher random value, the more sample values that can be utilized. Results and discussion about the persimmon analysis of Brunok Flor that you can see in the table for moisture, ash, protein, fat, and carbohydrate by difference. The ash content of Paracaudina australis Flor is an average of 37.21%. The results of the analysis of the ash content of Paracaudina australis Flor were not much different from the ash content of sea cucumbers, which was 32.85% by Elisa 2019. This is because the habitat of Paracaudina australis and sea cucumbers that live in muddy and sand in coastal waters. The high and low ash content in the material is closely related to the mineral content of the material. The protein content of Paracaudina australis Flor is 38.78%. Proteins in the body function as food reserves, as a source of energy, enzymes, and forming complex antibodies with the other molecules. This protein cycle can occur in cells, in tissue, or in the body and involves the digestive tract. By Carnila 2012. Fat content in Flor Paracaudina australis with an average of 3.34%. The presence of fat content is due to the raw material source of this Flor is meat and skin of Paracaudina australis. The body part of the sea cucumber consists of muscles and ossicles, which are fat storage places, and the presence of blood vessels, which are likely to contain fat, which will be spread to all parts of the body by Nurjana 2008. The conclusion for this research is, based on the results of this research that has been done, the following conclusion on the nutritional content of Brunok Flor includes water content of 8.19%, ash content of 37.21%, protein content of 48.78%, fat content of 3.44%, and carbohydrate content by difference of 10.57%, and for the last, the average yield value of 83.34%. It's all about our presentation. Sorry for all mistaken. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.